Are you tired of synthetic supplements filled with chemicals you can't even pronounce? Today, we're diving into the world of organic supplements, nature's own way of fueling your body. Stick around, because I'll share the best organic supplements you should know about and tips for choosing the right ones for you. Hey, friends. I'm a health coach. Let's get started. What are organic supplements? Organic supplements are made from plants, herbs, fruits, and vegetables grown without synthetic pesticides, fertilizers, or GMOS. They're minimally processed to retain the natural nutrients. Examples include organic spirulina powder, a blue-green algae that's a superfood rich in protein and iron. Organic turmeric capsules, a powerful anti-inflammatory. And organic ashwagandha, an herb that can help with stress relief and hormonal balance. Quick tip: always look for certifications like USDA Organic or Certified Organic to ensure that what you are buying is the real deal. Benefits of organic supplements: fewer chemicals. You'll have less exposure to synthetic additives that may harm your body. More bioavailable. Nutrients are absorbed more easily by your body because they're found in natural, whole food sources. Better for the environment. Organic farming practices support healthier soils and ecosystems. Holistic health. Many organic supplements provide not just one nutrient, but a whole range of beneficial compounds. For example, instead of isolated vitamin C tablets, organic camu powder gives you vitamin C plus antioxidants and amino acids. Common mistakes to avoid: assuming all natural labels mean organic. Natural doesn't always mean certified organic. So read the fine print. Overdosing. Even organic supplements can be harmful in excess. More isn't always better. Ignoring interactions. Some herbs and supplements can interact with medications. Always double-check with your healthcare provider. Advice: start small. Introduce one supplement at a time and observe how your body reacts. Top organic supplements to try. Supplement, benefit, form available. Turmeric reduces inflammation, boosts mood. Capsules, powder. Spirulina, energy, detox, rich in protein. Powder, tablets. Stress reduction, hormone balance. Capsules, tincture. Moringa, multivitamin powerhouse. Powder, capsules. Elderberry, immune system boost. Syrup, gummies, and many more. There's a wide variety of organic supplements out there for you to explore. How to choose the right organic supplement. Check the source. Know where the plants are grown. Read the ingredient list. Avoid fillers, preservatives, and added sugars. Prefer whole food-based supplements, not synthetic isolates. Look for third-party testing to ensure quality and purity. Pro tip: smaller, trusted organic brands often have higher quality than mass-produced ones. Final thoughts and call to action. Choosing organic supplements is a small change that can make a huge difference in your health journey. Always choose quality over quantity. Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on organic living and holistic health. Let me know in the comments, which organic supplement are you excited to try next? I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.